Hi there, this is our Kwanchow centre lathe. Chinese, but really heavy duty, and they've got a really good reputation. I've spoke to quite a few customers that have had these for quite a few years, and they've said how good they are. This one's in really good condition, and it's very tidy and ticks over nicely. Alrighty, we'll have a bit of a walk around. So it's got the full length splash guard there. They've got the remote oil system down the bottom. You'll see the photo under here of the change gears. Looks as though they've fitted a late model halogen light there possibly at some stage. The bed feels good. It's all tidy, that lead screw's nice and tidy. And so is this end in the back. Okay, we'll start from here. That tailstock moves and locks up nicely, goes in and out nice and feels good on the inside there. Carriage is nice to move. It's got the wee manual oiler there, and that feels as though that's working good. Cross slide's nice to move and very little play there, and the compound slide's nice to move and very little play there as well. Light works. Okay, I'll switch the, that's the main oil pump going there, pumping the oil up to the headstock, etc. That's the coolant pump running, that's pretty noisy. Okay, I'll start it up. So that's reverse, neutral, forward. There's the feed shaft running there, so I'll run through those different speeds. So let's speed that all up now, slowed it right down. And again here. And I'll change that to the lead screw. So that's the lead screw there. So those are the different ranges there, and now I've engaged the lead screw. That's coming towards me now, and then obviously I can change that direction. Now it's heading away. So I'll go back to that feed shaft. So that feed shaft's working now, and I'll speed that up so you can see what it's doing. I've engaged that cross slide now, so that's coming back out towards you, and now I've engaged that carriage, which is coming towards me. So that's going in and out really nicely. Everything feels positive and it feels really good. Okay, I'll take you through the different gear ranges. Actually, I didn't need to do that. So that's in the lower one. So that's 20, 28, 40, 56. Change it to the next range. And that'll be 80, 112, 160, 240. Next range, 140, 200. 280, 400, last range there, 560, 800, 1120. Last speed, 1600. So there's the speed range. It goes through really nicely. It sounds good in the gears there. And yeah, the whole lathe's really tidy and it still feels really positive. It's been looked after, and I don't think it's done a lot of use, to be honest. They are Chinese, but they're really heavy duty, and they were made well and they do last.